Tammy, you prepare yourself for a wicked run. He takes off. Alright.
Hey, we can make a fishing shot.
Yeah, that's fine. Just make it round. When I grab this leader, you move where Garrett is. Garrett, you probably want to go to my left. Alright, I see the wire. A little more. Right there, now stop. Now you hang on with everything you got. Put both of you on the
Ray
rod.
Stickle, this is Biff calling. Are you there?
Pull over to the right.
Gosh.
You see that?
Oh my God. Get a picture, Garrett.
How about them apples?
I'm videoing.
Pull your right a little bit. You see that? That's 300 pounds right there. Hang on, hang on. Good job.
Did you get a video of it? No, I'm going to pictures.
I'm videoing the whole thing. I'll take pictures.
Yeah, you may want to switch over to pictures now. It'll come in a little more clear.